The 2011 Cayenne. The Cayenne was an instant success for Porsche, earning both critical praise and popular acceptance while reaching 100,000 in sales faster than any Porsche model ever. Porsche just continues to improve it and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, driver airbag, Bluetooth, remote power door locks, fog lamps, trip computer, power windows, passenger airbag, leather seats, tachometer, heads-up display, power heated outside mirrors, rear spoiler. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.